Let's graph this function. F of x is equal to negative x squared plus 6. I'm going to use my table here, x and y. Okay, and so I don't have a fraction, so I can use smaller numbers. I don't have to use multiples of anything. And again, I like to use about 5 points to get a good idea of what's going on here. All right, so let's start off by plugging in negative 2. Negative 2 squared plus 6. Now be careful with the signs here. When you square a negative, it becomes positive, right? So that becomes a positive 4 with a negative on the outside. Right, so it's a negative 4. All right, this negative becomes a positive, but this negative is still here. Okay, so negative 4 plus 6 is 2. Okay, negative 1. Let's do the same reasoning here. When you square negative 1, you get a positive 1, but don't forget about the negative still hanging out on the outside. That's negative 1 plus 6, which would be 5. Okay, f of 0, negative times 0 squared plus 6. Okay, when you square 0, you get 0. Negative 0 and positive 0 are the same thing. So 0 plus 6 is just 6. Okay, let's plug in 1. Negative 1 squared plus 6. 1 squared is 1, but don't forget about the negative on the outside. Negative 1 plus 6 is 5. And then finally, f of 2. Negative times 2 squared plus 6. 2 squared is 4. So that's a negative 4 plus 6. And that equals 2. Okay, so now with these 5 points, let's plot it. Negative 2, comma 2. Negative 1, comma 5. 0, comma 6. 1, comma 5. 2, comma 2. Okay, should be enough to be able to see the graph does something like this. This is a parabola. The function is a quadratic function, and the graph looks something like that. Okay, so there we go.